Assalamualaikum. I am going to draw this picture. Now to draw the picture, open SolidWorks, click on the part 1 and normal to the front plane. To draw the sketch, draw a center line and start drawing the basic sketch. Change from IPS to MMGS. Now edit sketch, start dimensioning. This dimension is 7.50. This angle is 43. The distance from this point to this point is 41.50. This height is 24. The height from top to bottom is 56. Now use the revolve boss base and use thin feature 2 mm inside. Click on OK. Now normal to use reference geometry. Draw a plane tangent to the cone shape and normal to. Draw a point on the top base and draw a circle. The dia of the circle is 8 mm. Now take a center rectangle and draw. The length is 2 mm. Now use trim to remove the extra sketch. Click on OK. Now use extrude cut. Now normal to the material left behind. Zoom and draw a rectangle. Use extrude cut. Now again normal to the front plane and draw a line. Use rib feature. The width of the rib is 3 mm. Click on OK. Now normal to the front plane and draw a center line. Exit sketch. Now use circular pattern and select rib 1, extrude 2, extrude cut 1 and center line as a reference. Number of copies is 3. Click on OK. Your sketch is ready. Hide the center line. Now click on part 4 default and change the appearance. Here I am selecting chrome plate and color yellow. Click on OK. Change the background to the rooftop. And save file. With my name. Click on save. Now part is ready.